Hello, welcome to Content Editor online training for the College of Arts and Sciences standard sites. Our sites are based on a Drupal content management system, and by the end of this first video, you will know a little bit about ASC standard sites, access roles available to users, and how to log into your website. Drupal is the content management system platform on which the College of Arts and Sciences has built a flexible standard template for our websites. Other CMS platforms you may have heard of or used may include Joomla, WordPress, and ModX. When Drupal was installed on our server, it came with the role of anonymous user. This allows everyone to visit and actually see our websites. We created several other roles, and they are as follows. The content editor can edit and update all basic pages, adding images and links. In addition, the content editor can create new events, news, people, and blog items, and is responsible for the accessibility of all input content. The content manager, since they are responsible for the structure or the organization of the site, can create new basic pages and can update menu and taxonomy items. They too are responsible for accessibility of all content. The form manager also starts out as a content editor, but then learns to create online web forms. They are also responsible for accessibility of all content. There is also a form viewer role who cannot actually update or change anything on the website. This role simply allows a person, when given results access to a form, the ability to look at and download submissions to that form. There are two administrative roles. The first is that of Content Administrator for the Arts and Sciences Communications Department. They are responsible for the layout, font types, font sizes, colors used, and other basic layout criteria of our websites. The second is that of Site Administrator for Arts and Sciences Technology. They are responsible for maintaining our servers and the Drupal software, keeping the program updated, and hopefully keeping our website up and running 24/7. There is one other role, that of Store Manager. However, this role only exists when a site contains the store module. When it does exist, however, this role is responsible for adding products, updating costs, and managing purchases. So let's get started. At the bottom of any page on our websites, under the footer, is a little icon of a man's head. When you mouse over it, the screen tooltip reads Site Administrator Login. Selecting the icon takes you to the Ohio State Logon screen. Here you enter your OSU ID and password. We did this so that you won't have to remember still another ID and password. Once you enter and submit your information, you will be returned to the page from which you selected the icon. If you scroll down the page again to the little icon, you will see that it is now covered with a red X and that your user ID is displayed beside it. Mouse over either of these and the tooltip now reads Log Out. So when you are done editing, be sure to log out of Drupal by coming back here. Now that you are logged into Drupal, besides the log out being present, you can also tell you are logged in because there is a wrench in the upper left corner. This wrench allows you to get into the Drupal administration menus. Again, the menus and options you will see will depend upon the role you have been given within this particular Drupal website. So now you are ready to go to work. Please continue with our next video to learn about all the standard content types.